Okay, so here's number 20. They're giving me A is 17.1, so this side 17.1. Little c is 26.8, like that. And we want me to find capital B. We want me to find this side here. Well, this one, notice, is a right triangle. This angle here is a right angle, as the picture shows, that little box in the corner. So that means it's a right angle. So that means we do not have to use law of sines or law of cosines, right? When we have right triangles, we use SOHCAHTOA. And when we have non-right triangles, that's when we do law of sines or law of cosines. So that's the difference. So this one is a right triangle, so I'm just going to use SOHCAHTOA. So to find B here, this is the opposite side from B, this is the adjacent side to B, and this is the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle, right? So what do I want to use then? What two sides do I have? This one, hypotenuse, and this one, adjacent. So if you remember SOHCAHTOA, which trig relationship involves the adjacent? Oh, actually, wait, I'm getting a little confused there. I want to find B, capital B. And so actually first I need to find the opposite side, because I don't have the opposite side, do I? Oh yeah, no, I'm sorry, I'm getting confused. Which, I'm not going to use the opposite, I'm just going to use the two sides we've got. And what are the two sides we've got? We have been given the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So what trig relationship involves adjacent and hypotenuse? Cosine. So the cosine of B is the adjacent, 17.1, over the hypotenuse, 26.8. That's adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse. All right, so now, I'm trying to find B, so how do I find B? What do? Well, you've got to take cosine inverse, both sides. It'll cancel that cosine out, and you'll get B is cosine inverse 17.1 over 26.8. So cosine inverse, and you got to make sure I'm in degree mode also. Check the mode. Make sure you're in degree mode. I'm in degree mode. So now I'll go cosine inverse of 17.1 divided by 26.8. I'm getting, looks like 50.4 degrees. There it is. Answer C. So the cosine and cosine inverse canceled on that side to just get B alone. On this side, cosine inverse comes out 50.4 degrees.